Hi guys, my name is Marcus. I've been a member of QuantView for about 9 months now, and I'm probably the biggest fan of their automation simply because I suck at manual trading. I've tried it, I couldn't do it. I get anxious, I get angry, I get nervous, I get all kinds of stuff I don't want to be in life, so automation's the way to go for me. In this video, I'll walk you through a strategy with specific settings that's worked really well for me. I'll show you how to set it up and also how it's been doing the last couple days. So, the chart you're looking at here is the specific chart the alerts have been firing off. This is the live chart I've used for trading the strategy. You can grab that chart by going to our Google Sheet and literally just clicking on the link of the specific chart. That's the link to the chart I'm using. But I'll show you how to set it up from scratch so you know what's happening and why I set up the way I did it. Now, start a fresh chart. You want to go to the NASDAQ 100, that's the NQ. And you want it to look like this by selecting Renko bars, then selecting 15 seconds and making sure this says traditional and 2. After that, very simple, simply add the QGrid Elite strategy. It's loading in a few seconds, and then we'll do a few minor changes to the settings. Don't touch anything except in the inputs field here. So you want to select this and make sure it starts. Select force close at the end of time string. That enables it to start at 09:35 every day. This is very important. The market's open at 09:30, so 5 minutes in, we don't want to go into initial crazy 5 minutes, but there's still going to be big moves. That's what this strategy is based off. Do not touch this time string, leave it as is. Trade type, trader type, you want to go to scalper. That is my favorite version. Further down, you'll see profit and loss limits. We don't use these built in because on a 15-second time frame, it's hard for them to be accurate. Further down, we've got the prop tracer details, which I'll get into in a second. Now, this looks exactly like the chart I'm using or I've been using the last couple weeks. The reason this works so well is, let's go back to market open today. We are here, market opens at 09:30, some moves. At 09:35, our strategy kicks in, goes into a long, closes here for a little win, goes into another long and closes for a 100-point win. By that time, we're already done for the day, fully automatic. How do we achieve this? Let's go into my VPS. We use Chart VPS for our prop trader. You'll see this has got my Tradevate open. I use a demo account, and in the settings of that demo account, I simply set the following numbers for trading 1 NQ. So in my settings, I set a daily loss limit of $1,600 and a daily profit trigger of $400. Yes, that is a 4-to-1 risk-reward ratio, which some consider stupid, but it works really well because I hit the daily profit trigger every single day since I've started using a strategy. Let's say you hit the daily loss limit. Yes, that will wipe out an entire week of wins, but that's fine because if the next week is all wins again, it should be okay in the long run. We start the QuantView Auto Trader. I'm not going to walk you through how to set that up in detail. There's other videos that explain it much more detailed. Basically, you start the thing and then you grab your customer ID and spam key and use those to input here in the strategy. Down here, 2 fields, paste these. Now, all that's left to do is to set up the actual alerts. You click on here, add alert. You grab this as an alert message. You'll be given all these details when you sign up. Call it anything you want. I'll call it test. Make sure the webhook URL is correct. Also, you'll be given this when you sign up. And create alert, and it will show up over here. That is now our alert. It's active and running. I'll stop it because I don't want to run it. But this would now fully automatically trade this strategy. Now, let's see how it's been doing since I've started over the last couple of days at least. We're looking at the Google Sheet. Today, we hit $474.35 within 14 seconds. I couldn't help but add a little smiley face here. That's a new record. 14 seconds with the profit limit, and after that, it shuts off and simply rejects all orders after that. Because the profit limit's reached, we're done for the day, nothing else is happening on the account. We go back to last week, exact same thing. Monday, win, Tuesday, win, Wednesday, win. Thursday win, Friday win every single day, and it never took more than 7 minutes for a total of $2,267.50. Let's verify that number because anybody can write stuff in a Google Sheet. Let's go back to our prop trader and check those numbers on our actual account. So we look at all of last week. We see profit, some losing trades, which you want. No strategy is always profitable. This makes it real, for a total profit of $2,267.52. The longest trade we've had was 2 minutes, 28 seconds, and we were done 7 minutes into trading every single day. That is my Qgrid strategy. You can try that exact same strategy on your own. Be careful and good luck.